When people think of reggae, we often just shift straight to Bob Marley. But before Mr. Marley took the world stage, there was another voice. Rougher, grittier, but just as soul stirring. We're talking about Jimmy Cliff today, the original international reggae rebel. He was born James Chambers in Somerton, St. James in 1948. Jimmy Cliff's rise started in the 1960s during Jamaica's post-independent music boom. He moved to Kingston as a teenager with dreams too loud for the countryside. Cliff recorded his first big tune at just 14. It was called Hurricane Hattie, and it was produced by Leslie Kong, who saw the star potential in this slim young man with a massive voice. From there, it was hit after hit, from Miss Jamaica to King of Kings, and you can get it if you really want. But Jimmy Cliff wasn't just a singer. He was an actor, an activist, and an ambassador of culture.